Today we talk about how can you disable recommendations on your Redfin app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just click here on my Redfin, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just click on settings here, just click on it. So you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on fit settings, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, come here to recommendations here. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's been recommended for you, disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.